back. Oh, the timer. When the guest has to.
And we're back.
Bro, apparently I'm Jewish. Anyway, we're back.
That was supposed to be the
Apparently
secret
Jew-
between all three of
Dude,
us.
I got no shot. No, wait.
You have like
ones
what,
now.
like you have a good amount of turns. You can do it.
I'm gonna get one every single dice roll, man.
How many coins do I have?
This game's gonna.
Oh, okay.
kill
I'll
me.
play another one. Yeah, I'll play that first time.
He really wants that second star.
Yoshi's falling for one of my traps. I swear.
I am going to fall for one of your traps. I'm gonna fucking cry.
It doesn't matter as long as I beat Yoshi. I have so many traps.
You have 2 back to back.
Wow.
I have 3 total.
Get one. Fuck
Dang it.
you.
Oh
Wow,
no,
he
he's
skipped
gonna
it
have
by
another one.
And he's gonna play.
Is he gonna do it?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, he's got.
yo.
He has the same amount of reasons.
He doesn't give a shit about the coins. He's like.
Can you pass that tail?
Some bullshit.
He'll fall into
Alright,
yours.
DK, what you got, man? What you got?
What if he falls into yours and mine?
I'm gonna cry.
What do you mean? No Yoshi.
No Yoshi.
Dude, nothing happens in your life here.
Nothing happens because I'm fucking broke.
Mushroom mix. I want my redemption. Damn.
Shy Guy said.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
yeah,
one is
this-
I think A and B. So Shy Guy is gonna lift up a flag with wire black. We just need to, or wire red. We just need to do the same thing. So the right button is your white flag. Left button is your red flag. Make sure you press and hold the button, because if you just kind of do this, he won't count it. He'll cut your thing. And also be cautious, because sometimes he'll go like
How do
2
you-
flags and then put 1 down. So just wait for him to only put 1 flag. He'll get tricky.
Wait, but how do you?
No, it looks like you're putting it down just fast. All I'm telling you is when you press the button and you confirm this is what you want to press, hold it.
Oh.
Because right now it's training, they're going to put it down. But if you just quickly press it, I've seen it happen where they just go, hit, and then it doesn't count. So just press and hold it.
Sometimes he won't raise the flag at all. Huh?
No, he'll always raise a
Oh,
flag.
he'll always.
I'm
raise the
saying
flag.
our characters,
Yeah.
the ones we're playing as,
Yeah.
sometimes if you just press it, it's weird, it doesn't register. I've had that happen in the past. So I'm just saying, when you know you want the A flag or the B flag, press and hold it.
But what about the C flag?
The door's right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
Let's
ready?
do this.
A. So right button is your white, bottom is red. Concentration.
Listen.
Oh, Yoshi fucked up.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
There's no worry about that. Oh, yes.
No, son of a gun. I tried like
I didn't
switching
know
as fast as I
too.
could, but it was too
Yeah.
late.
What? Dude, what's that?
Yes!
What? No, you lost
Wait,
2.
what?
You lost
What?
2. Because, dude, he had that up for like a millisecond.
Yeah. What?
That's so crap.
That's bullshit. He cut
I'm
yours off. I'm like,
reacting.
last kick. Aw.
The guy was like, it's like, hello?
No chance.
That's just like sudden death at that point.
All right, can we not get a 1?
You get it 2. Oh, 8.
Let's go.
That's so good. I did it because we're playing a Mario game,
Right.
and Mario says, let's
Yes.
go. Let's
Let's
fucking go.
go, brother.
Oh my god.
Ow.
That's why you're fired.
Alright. Hello? Alright, blue seed, red seed, yellow seed. Alright, let's do the even money. Catch a tiger by the
By the mother. It worked last time.
Worked last time.
Mother failed you.
Mother, you failed me this time. I lose. I won 10
One video of like you thinking for the 10 coins, and then like next day you're just like, Mom, you screwed me.
I'm gonna go home and be like, Mom.
Oh, you got the Bowser space
I won
too.
10 coins. Screw you.
She'd be like,
made me lose.
why are you gambling with coins? Don't you use
100
coins?
star present, please.
Sorry, I'm addicted.
Oh, that would have been
Cash
so
And
good.
cash.
And cash.
Play a minigame in this fun event.
Okay.
So
So it's just me. I think it's solo.
No.
Oh,
It's that
this
game
one.
It's
we just-
this.
Alright, so we're gonna get
Come
some
here,
more
big
coins.
boy.
How many coins do you
I'm gonna have 0 after.
have? Oh, I
this.
know, but how many do you have now?
Don't look at the screen. Okay?
Come here, big boy.
38.
Come here, big boy. Come here.
Sorry. I have to do it. I have to do it.
No!
You can jump, by the way.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I didn't know that.
Yo! That changes everything. Hello?
It changes everything. Gets it.
Ah,
Yoshi's
son of
getting
a
all is
bitch.
what the annoying thing is.
Son of a...
Oh wait, no one's getting it. Bowser's getting it, so you're just
Oh,
losing.
fudge, dude.
Oh shit! Well, we shouldn't have. I thought we were gonna get the coins. You and I shouldn't have even attacked.
No.
We should just let him have to just run away from Yoshi or stall Yoshi. My bad, bro.
Dude! Just before I reached the stars!
I'm so sorry. I totally wanted. I thought we were gonna get the coins. That's why I was being a dick.
My bad, big dog.
Yeah, we should let you do
It's
that.
alright, big dogs. It's
Well, at least I know he got the bad one. No! I should have had to win that mini game, or I can't. I can't get out of the store. And now I'm gonna starve.
Oh, dude, you would have been a massive lead.
Massive.
Oh, yeah, you had 3.
Massive. Fuck!
Yeah,
Massive.
skip your shit.
I just need Yoshi to hit one of my traps, please. Or Donkey Kong's traps. I don't...
3.
Let's go!
Let's
Dude,
fucking
you got,
go.
dude, you got, that's 2 stars.
That's 1 star.
No, I mean, he has 2 now.
Yeah. Sorry.
Look, I know you
See,
like correcting me
I
all the
know.
time, but this time I'm right.
I'm
This
sorry.
time I'm right.
Dude, okay, so for people, okay, I want you to guys know, for people that watch the Overcooked series, after editing that and hearing how I sounded, I literally opened Discord and apologized to this man. In the moment, I'm just goofing off, and I'm sure he knows this.
Oh,
Like, I'm
yeah,
not
yeah.
actually mad at him.
No.
But it's just like in the moment, I'm like, fuck you, do what I say.
Right?
And I'm like, I really need to work on that.
Like, I'm just this man's bitch. Like,
Alright, 2.
wow. Alright.
Thank the Lord.
Oh, wait, are you gonna plant?
Thank the
no,
Lord.
No, you can't.
Thank the Lord.
Oh, you're in
Oh,
first
you're
now.
right next to
Bro,
Donkey
what did
Kong,
I
too.
say? What did I say? Josue fucking learns the game and then goes around. This happens all the time.
Please stop. Please stop.
Ball
Please
over.
stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Don't take this, don't take
Please
this. Stop, stop, stop.
I'm having so much fun.
Oh, I gotta do this now.
Please stop. Please
How
stop.
many coins does Josue got?
24. Please stop. Have
Interesting.
mercy. Have
So you
mercy.
say 24.
Have mercy.
Interesting.
Have mercy.
Here comes Master.
Have mercy. Have mercy.
Are you ready for the Yoshi 2?
Fuck you. Yes.
Yo, you know what? I got Yoshi.
You
I'm
got
cool with
Yoshi.
that. I'm
That's
cool with
all
that.
that
I'm cool with that.
You got the.
You got the AI. Fuck
Please,
yeah.
Master.
I'm like, please,
Please,
master.
Master.
Please, master. Please.
I'm cool with that. Now I just need Josue to land on my space and we're good.
Please no.
Alright.
Please
Here we
no.
go.
Please no.
And now I just want
Okay,
Luigi
that's
just
fine.
to
I'll
join
take
the
some
star
points.
game.
Honestly, I want you to have like at least 1 star.
Don't worry, man.
Please, just one.
one star, please.
I appreciate you guys' pity.
A star donation, please.
Right?
Oh, let's go! I told you this was gonna happen.
You got
Yeah,
3
Yoshi.
stars.
Yeah. Now you're.
I'm gonna have
even
4
more.
once so Josue lands my other one.
No, fuck you, bro.
And then I got another one, so when Josue lands that one, I'll have 5.
Wait, I'm ahead of Yoshi? Dude! No fucking I actually
We
ahead
all
of
beat the hard
AI.
computer.
We all
I'm cool with
beat the
that.
AI.
Yeah,
I'm cool with that.
I'm cool with that. As long as we
Alright.
all beat
Give me a low number, please. Let's fucking go.
Okay, you got some coins. I like how they like pretend that you're gonna fight Yoshi.
Crazy cutter.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the one where
The thing is only just
The shape, right?
the
the shape?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the shape. Okay.
So
Okay,
remember, you want
this
to go
one.
through the whole
Yeah,
thing.
don't want to.
But we all won last time, so I don't really know what
I
happened.
guess you could just do whatever the hell you want.
Don't. I think you still want to be breakable. Is the thing. That's probably what it is. Is they're just saying, do you have enough to break it? Bro, it's like the hardest thing is to stay in that bitch sometimes.
Oh shit! I just
Stay
wanted
on
to
that
stay in the
I
bit.
fucked up on that bitch a little bit.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I'm good.
Yo, you're
I think we're all okay.
Yeah, we're all.
Yeah. Oh.
Great.
In the arms
Mine
of
couldn't
the
escape?
angel,
Oh, dude.
fly away.
That's how Flagel's bad. So anyway, 26 coins.
Anyway, so I came in there with barbecue sauce on my.
Big.
All right, guys. Don't land. What? Don't land a 5. Oh, jeez, dude.
Couldn't have been any closer.
Right?
Honestly. You're still losing your coins though, right?
Yeah, at the end he'll lose 20.
Okay.
Please not
second roll.
Yoshi's. Please not Yoshi's.
Imagine
Oh,
Oh,
Yoshi
dude,
takes
you
it
dodged
Oh,
that.
I don't even care.
Yeah,
Take
yeah,
my
it's
3
like-
coins.
Yeah, take away the coins. Yeah.
Whew.
You're chilling.
Been chilling. Been chilling.
back. He's big chilling.
All right.
You get a yellow one, but like
It's
it doesn't
instant.
matter.
Yeah, I know.
You still can't afford a star, so I'm cool with that.
All right.
Oh,
Oh,
he
wait,
can't
no, he
afford
can't.
his star.
He's gonna land on the end face. Does he get poison mushroom too?
Yeah. That's,
That would have been loyal.
Bro, if I was Yoshi in real life, I'd be so pissed. Losing all the stars.
You're
on
in
him.
the fucking maiden.
You can land on my thing, though. That'd be cool. Oh.
Yeah, fucking.
dude, you.
Dang, I wish Yoshi hit the other one. Hey!
2v2.
Team winning.
Team winning.
Team.
Bomb skip ball.
No, listen, guys. Calm down. Oh, this is basketball.
2-on-2, first team to score wins. Best way to shoot.
We just gotta shoot towards the thing.
Okay.
Offense. Defense.
Steal ball with B. Gotcha.
Jump.
You ready to
steal,
go, guys?
Let's do it.
and then throw. I got it. All right, Luigi. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh,
I get Yoshi.
Jump.
Jump.
Yoshi, grab. Son of a gun.
No! Oh. No, Yoshi!
No!
No!
That's my boy. Dude, this hard AI is max.
Yeah, but like, see, that's just the thing. Like, it just would feel unfair if it was anything else. Because like,
Right.
like all the other ones, just like there's either bonkers off the wall or just stupid.
Right.
And
Aw,
so I
fuck,
just
we
feel like
lose
I feel like
ten.
we're at least better than stupid. And so it's just like, oh, we lost 10 for that.
Yeah, we lost 10 for that.
Don't
This
get a
that's
1.
gross.
Oops.
Every time.
Every
Without
freaking
fail.
wrong
But
button.
that you're getting a 1. I like how you keep turning the needle with that.
Right? That was twice. Can I get a star though? Come on, like.
Can
You're
you
so
get a
close. All you
star?
need to do is get over there. But what sucks is the seeds reset, so you might get Bowser Seed again.
Oh, dude, you're right.
Unless DK can get the Bowser Seed, then you're safe. Get it for the homie.
Get it for the one time.
Get it for the one time.
Get it for the one time.
Yeah, man.
We're going blue, fucking.
Well, because you think it's innocent, but it's not.
You for sure got the star.
I for sure got it?
Yeah, as long as no one takes your coins or anything.
Hopefully not. Unless I lose all the mini games in this.
Right.
Oh, at least you didn't hit the Bowser.
Eat my
Castaways.
Slot car derby. Is this the race one?
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one's kind of complicated. So I'm gonna do this. This one is you're just moving the direction. So like when you're down, you're facing down, and you're just following the direction of it. But if you start seeing smoke, you're going too fast, and you need to slow it down or you'll spin out.
You gotta hump it.
We gotta hump it. All right, so let's
That's how
go
you
in.
win. That's the secret. Just hump it.
Hump it.
Hump it technique.
Humping first.
Humping. First of all, me.
Nice one. Good to Damn it, nice you got.
Yoshi was struggling.
Yeah. So you don't even get any points for this, just Yoshi.
Just the winner.
Okay. Alright.
That's 10 turns.
Come on. Hi. Again. There we go.
So you're gonna lose 20. No shot. Lose 20 and then lose 10 for picking the seed. You actually wanted more.
Oh shit. No shot.
But then you're gonna choose 10 for the seed.
No shot. No way.
Maybe you won't make it to the star?
Why?
Doesn't matter which one you choose.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
It'll-
Also feels bad, man.
Wait, how many? I don't. How many spaces do you have left? I didn't see. Fuck.
God dang. Okay.
That's
a-
pretty tough.
Yeah. I'm gonna cry. Wait. Sorry.
I'll be there to comfort you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll be there coming you.
Okay.
What?
Got it.
Glad to see you understand.
No.
You better land in Yoshi shit.
Forgot it was there. To be honest.
Alright, Yoshi. Here we go, Aziz.
Chance time.
Shit over with.
Right?
If I had a chance time, bro.
I'd be scared. Dude, this again? Who has the most coins?
Definitely not me.
Might just be. I think it might be me. Oh, it's me again. I've done this game 3 times.
Dude, that's
Without
crazy.
fail.
Who's got the most? Wait a minute, it's just.
I think it's
I'm gonna just
Yoshi.
take Yoshi again.
Yeah.
But Luigi's 15.
Yeah.
Never wanted to try to go for the box.
I think the box is 10, but I'd rather take more away from Yoshi.
Come here, big boy. Come here, Diana.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that double chin.
The double chin. Yeah, he's leaning back in his chair.
I did it, guys.
How sweaty that shirt for?
Mario Bros. 3 Episode 4 sweaty.
What?
Wait, what?
Did he lose anything?
I don't think he lost anything, honestly.
What?
Wait, no, he did. He was at what shit?
Oh, but I didn't get it. Did I get it? I'm so confused. I didn't see.
No.
I just saw zeros across the board. I was just confused.
Alright, Mario.
I hope you landed yours.
Someone's salty. Well, I missed, in honor of Luigi not getting a star, I'm gonna choose my seat because I don't want that bad luck.
Yeah. I don't think it fucking matters.
It doesn't. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
they're both Toad.
I
I just wanted to throw a punch at Luigi
Yeah, this man's ruthless.
in his darkest hours.
Oh, you have.
Oh, you're one away from another star.
Yes,
Four
sir.
stars.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So good at this game.
I want to get a 1. I want to get a 1. So freaking bad. Give me a
Just
1.
get that one.
Oh,
Fuck. Alright.
you lose 20, but you have how many? Oh, yeah, you're losing.
Yeah, pretty much.
This
You
is
lose
always
all-
a 20 coin fee.
You lose all of it, and he doesn't even give you a piece of the cake. That's
Right.
fucked up.
It's my birth.
I'll do it for free. No. I have absolutely nothing.
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 I would just have him welcome this guy. Just say everything was broke.
Honestly.
Honest.
Yeah, if you can win 17 coins in this next minigame.
Bruh.
Mario Bandstand.
What the fuck is that?
Little band.
Bandstand Revolution. Revolution.
Do.
Alright, Yoshi. Okay. This one we'll have to save for, but essentially with this one, you're gonna give. Wait, Yoshi is gonna. Okay, good. Oh, well, we have to just play it actually. We have to worry about Yoshi. Yoshi's gonna confuse me. So there's gonna be a bar going on, and it's gonna tell us when to play our beat. When the bar is over our beat, we just say.
Okay.
Okay. So it's
Over
like
our
a Guitar Hero almost?
Yeah, or like Friday Night Funkin'.
Beep bop 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 beep boop.
When the beat shows up, just hit the button.
Alright, ready guys? Feel the music. Wait, so I'm in the middle. Okay.
Alright, here we go. I didn't press it. Dude, I could do this with my eyes closed.
I wouldn't recommend that, but
Oh,
I-
dude! Everyone except. I think everyone won something there.
I think so.
Maybe Yoshi was the only one that messed up a little bit.
Yeah.
You can do that with your eyes closed. You can do that with your eyes closed. Someone's a little cocky.
Dude, I missed one at the beginning.
Did you miss any?
No,
I
I-
missed one at the
I think it's
beginning.
because neither me, him, or Yoshi missed any.
And I.
Bless you.
Thank you.
And
Yep, I'm allergic to the
Look at
music,
him
man.
with
I'm
his
allergic to music.
2-star lead.
he's allergic to his bullshit.
Look at him with his 2-star lead.
You know it, dude.
Donate a star to your brother. What are you doing?
Just plant a trap.
Yeah,
Plant a trap at this point.
I don't land in it, man.
This is your brother here.
I can't
I'm
cheat.
losing against
I
the
can't
AI.
cheat the game. Plant a thing and I'll land in it. Fuck.
Okay, fine.
Just get 30 coins.
Try.
I hope he lands it. I hope he lands
Not
it.
enough.
He doesn't have a star though.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, I'm the one kind of in danger.
Yeah, I don't have 20 shits.
No 20 shits. So in the other map, does Toad move?
Every time there's a star, it
Oh,
comes.
okay. But this one is always.
He just stays in this game.
There's only 2 maps in this game, right?
No, there's like 6.
6? Oh,
Yeah.
jeez.
This one's always been my favorite as a kid. That's why I wanted to
Oh,
go.
okay. That's fair.
But that's a good thing with Mario Party is if we ever decide to play this specific version again, we can always
Oh,
go
it's
to this
this
stage.
shit.
Okay, at least I know.
Oh
to
yeah,
go
well we know what to do, right?
Wait.
No, yeah, no. This is just pressing.
B.
Oh, okay, Jesus.
Yeah.
Just pressing.
B is to skate, A is to jump.
Yeah. The clicking, cocking on this video is
No.
insane.
Oh, son of a bitch. I couldn't.
Oh, son of a bitch!
No, don't tell me, bro. Come on, bro. Bro!
Brother, please. Ahead by a hair?
What?
No!
No shot!
Dude, it looked like he
we
was
were
behind
both
us.
ahead of him.
No, Yoshi
I
was
want
ahead by a
replay
hair.
of that. Was he
By a
really?
hair?
It was by a hair.
Dude, that's no shot. Oh
By
my
a fucking
god!
hair.
I would have tried so hard.
Dude, all that effort for
Oh,
nothing.
My wrist hurts.
I got arthritis for 0 coins. I'll keep hitting that damn button.
At least you guys kept going.
I feel like you're burning in the lava. Yeah, if you would have won that one, you could have planted the thing.
I know, but I suck. No.
Oh, thanks, man.
What? I know you're Mexican, but I don't even know how that relates.
No, look. Look who
Oh.
I'm playing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, I went for the racial route.
This boy. Eh.
10 though. Let's see what you get. Oh.
Well, I guess something happens.
4-player
Can't
game.
be behind the AI, guys.
Bombs away.
Oh,
Is this
which
the?
one was this one?
Is this the Toriyoshi one?
I guess.
No,
Yeah,
no,
it's
this is
this
the.
one.
Okay. So do something.
Yeah, do something. Don't pull a Luigi AI BS.
Get in the way, get in the way, get in the way. Push it, push it.
Oh, God, oh,
no,
God,
no,
no.
no, no, yo,
Hey, oh, Yoshi's gone.
She's gone, so it's just us, just the 3 of us. We can make it.
Just the 3 of us.
Just the 3.
Just
of us.
three.
Oh,
Hey.
Mario's almost gone.
Wow, even Mario was at the edge. Jeez.
Yeah, I almost fell.
We started singing this shit.
Just break out into
Okay,
something
now I
else.
have 30 coins. Can I steal?
Land on a plant, and I'll try to land on
you
it.
land on a plant.
Me or Donkey Kong will land on it.
Okay, good. Just good. Just do it.
Preferably him.
It'll be it.
Come on, just give me a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
5. Well, I might as well be the red spot.
Every time.
See, this is how you do it.
You're right.
Do I want to do it though? Because the only one I can really affect is you.
Just say no. Just say no.
Well, there's enough turns where Yoshi could get one, so I'll just do it. Because I'm pretty sure I can get 20 coins before. I'm gonna get 10, and I only have to win one mini game with all the turns it takes me to get to the star.
Brother.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get there.
Man, how many of these motherfuckers you have later on the track?
I have 3 currently.
No, that's 3 too many.
Oh. If you get a red dice and a red mushroom and a 2.
Oh.
Okay, well.
Well, I'm staying station. Fuck you, bro. I'm set now, motherfucker.
Everyone gets Luigi. Please not.
Oh, no, what's this one?
All right, so the game will compete against this, but Josue, for us to win, we're gonna take our palm. We're gonna put it in the middle. Oh, I thought this. I thought it was the.
Oh, this is the.
This one is you're just walking forward, and we're trying to shoot you off.
I have to get to the end.
Yeah. So you want to stay in the middle.
No more. I get to shoot by Roy Denver. Let's go.
Dude.
So yeah, you're just staying in the middle, and we're just trying to shoot.
You guys are killing me here.
Pop Smoke, baby. Start.
Just don't fall. Just don't.
Well, the goal is not to
Don't fall. Just don't fall. Just don't. Stop falling. I see you falling. Step up. Step up. Good. Just stop falling. Just don't. Just don't.
Oh, you got me. Wait. Who's going? Guys,
Don't fall.
this hurts.
Don't fall. Right? I think you're thinking about falling. You're thinking about falling.
Fuck you. No, fuck you.
No,
fuck you.
Not
Fuck
the
you.
last
Fall,
second,
fall,
not last
fall,
second.
fall.
Oh, thank Christ. Oh, jeez.
Jeeves.
I don't even know what I said. I was just so overwhelmed by
What?
Oh.
Do y'all get
points.
-5?
Bro, I only have 2. The pure I could give less
Oh,
fuck
it's
about your
over.
situation.
Oh, it's over.
Last 5.
Last
Now I'll announce the current standings. First, Mario. Second, DK. Third, Yoshi. Fourth, last, Luigi.
He's gonna be
Who will
like.
become the superstar?
He'd be like, I think it's Luigi.
DK will win.
Oh.
Telling you, man. Even it knows. It knows
knows.
this way pulls it out of his booty hole.
I'm sorry.
It's that donkey booty hole.
Last fight.
Come on, 10.
What?
So that's. Well, I mean, I could have gotten 5 and 10 extra coins. But
Fuck.
whatever.
Oh, oh,
Ooh,
Oh.
my gosh, dude.
dude, it's just gonna be a chance time or something that fucks all this.
I think I have a chance
I have
getting
a
a star
turn
now.
skip, which is unfortunate.
It's actually good because I mean, if you just want some insane thing to happen.
Hammer jump.
This is the money one.
I think so, yeah. We have to avoid the hammers.
Yep. Alright, here we go. Just don't get caught by the hammer.
Grand slam.
The
Oh,
hammer.
I can't grand slam this one. Why not you? Oh, oh,
Ooh,
Oh.
nice.
ooh.
Don't
Ow.
load the hammer. Don't load the hammer. Son of a. No! I should have jumped. Why didn't I jump? Donkey.
No!
I almost fell off.
Ah!
Can you actually fall off?
Yes.
The perception's fucking ass.
I think I only got like 4 coins.
I don't even know what I got. I think
I
I,
get
I didn't
shit.
get. I didn't get anything really. I got
I
10
ain't get
somehow.
shit!
What?
The perception's just not there.
I didn't get shit.
You gotta put a magnet on you, brother. 9 or 20 coin bonus. Bonus. I might have a shot at the star, actually.
Please give
You
this
can do
boy
it,
a
man.
star.
I gotta get one.
We gotta get a star. A singular star for the boy.
I believe in you.
Come on, Patrick Star.
Give!
Yo.
Oh, he's gonna plant one.
Yeah, it's free.
What?
Wait, what?
no.
He said.
I thought he
no.
always would choose yes.
Dude, he's like, no, I want these
That's
coins.
stupid, but okay.
You're right.
No! No!
Oh no, shut.
No!
And they predicted that. Slave would win?
There could be a possible chance time where we can switch stars or something. I could see
No
it happening.
way.
I could see
Is
it
that a
happening.
thing?
Yeah, you guys had it, remember? Where you had a chance
Oh,
where you
yeah,
both
yeah,
switched
yeah,
stars,
that's
but
good.
just you guys didn't have anything. It can
Holy
happen.
Shit, that can happen.
That can happen. That's what scares me. This game is all
All
fun.
that
That
hard
game is
work
all
for
fun
them.
and games until one little thing just completely screws you
That's
over.
crazy.
When every minute game do everything flawlessly. Chance
Alright,
time.
bet.
Alright,
I love
is
this
Jacob
one.
going to
This
fall
one is
again
my. This
really
one's
early
game.
this
This one's game.
You're right.
All right, and we're kind of close towards the end of the episode, so we're at the end of the game, so we'll just make this better.
Ram.
Fuck!
Ow.
I died so much. I thought you could. They make it so different in the new one. Light blue, light blue, light blue, light blue. I was trying to get you.
Dude, you literally almost got me there. Because I saw blue and I was like, oh shit. No!
You're so angry. No!
No.
I can't afford to lose.
Oh,
shit,
I was
outside.
about to block his ass. Fuck no.
Green, 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 green.
You sick.
Dark blue, dark blue, dark blue, dark blue.
No! I jumped.
On your own
Okay.
color.
Wait, when did you die?
No!
I like did a grand slam on you and it like bounced me back.
Oh
Like right at the beginning. Oh, again, all my favorite
I was
cards.
just way
Yoshi
too
got it a
focused.
little. Foxstern.
shit. I didn't realize that. Okay, here we go. 10. Again! Son of a... I never learned my lesson. This is why I'm last.
Well, you don't have a star, so it's okay.
Jesus.
Jesus.
God, I was like, is it gonna actually take all my coins instead? That would be kind of effed up if that did. That would be like really effed up.
Let's see. Is there Bowser right now? I don't even remember. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Yoshi can get Bowser.
Seed, red seed.
You chose
Go
the
to Bowser.
Mario seed.
Go to Bowser.
You got Toad.
Fuck.
You can have a star. I feel pretty confident I have a big enough lead.
Alright, 2 stars.
I will
here,
allow
bro.
him to have a star. Dude, I'm so scared of that chance. It's those predictions are usually godly, though. It's insane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and that's why I'm just waiting for the chance.
Honestly,
time.
I really hope if I get a chance, I'm going. I'm sorry.
Well, for sure. I mean, that do what makes you win. That makes sense.
I have to get a chance.
Gotta get it. Dude, even if I get a star, I'll still be last because it costs 20. She's got some.
Yeah,
I don't
that's
care
smart.
anymore. I
That's
don't
smart.
care anymore.
That's
I
smart.
want a fucking star.
The only thing is you gotta land on my piranha plant that's up
Yoshi,
there.
just stand on it.
I need you to go where Luigi.
Fucking.
Box Mountain Mayhem.
So
I don't
this
remember
one?
what this one is. Oh, okay, we're just punching the boxes to get points.
What is that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just punch and it gets points. You can also like go up to like Luigi.
I'm gonna go for that.
I can just be like. Break the boxes. Whoa!
Whoa, hello?
Hello? Oh.
No.
Dude, because at the beginning, I thought we were trying to reach the top. I was like,
No, just break the boxes.
well,
25?
Holy.
Dear Lord.
That's exactly what he needed right now.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness. This
That's
is
what
bad.
that's what DK needs.
This is
Man,
bad.
fuck this shit, bro.
Dude, I just need like 4 higher to get it.
Just 4 higher, and the whole game could change for Denver.
I'm on.
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh my, this game is getting close to being
No.
It's getting close.
No.
Give me
say it ain't.
Give me that
so.
shit back.
Alright, I need you to land my space so I can have that back for real, for real.
No, you don't. You have 4. You have 2 lead. I don't want to hear shit.
Yeah, but the bonus stars.
I don't give a fuck.
Just land on my spot for real, for real.
No.
Just a quick 3, it's okay.
Yeah, I don't fucking.
Niner.
Niner. Get
I
on
mean,
with
there's
that.
a chance I might go to Bowser.
Yeah, but with 5 coins, it really doesn't affect you that much. If anything, it's better for you because then you can get to that chance space sooner.
Please.
Again, I don't know why you're happy about that. I think you wanted Bowser.
I don't have enough for another star.
Red? Yep. This is it. Are you gonna land chance time? Is that what's gonna happen? No, okay. It's gonna say I'm waiting for someone to land on chance time and it's just like, here's the point where he just wins. I'm just waiting for it. Piranha's Pursuit. I don't know what this one is. Oh, am I skating? Yeah. So you guys are ground pounding. So doing the Grand Slam on the cloud, you kind of want to do it in sync so that the cloud spits water faster and the piranha plant grows faster and chases you faster. You want the piranha plant to get more, and I'm just skipping. Ready?
Gotcha. Oh, you can do like a mini jump. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Yo, Yoshi's not even slamming it.
It's not even catching up, bro. Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
You can end now. You can end now. You can end now. You can end now. You can end now.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
That's it. Oh no.
This
that
game
was it.
can end now.
No, he's just not. He's not under the cloud.
Oh, dang, that was close. Very close. You're on a piano? What is that? What was that?
Huh?
You're standing on something.
A skateboard.
No,
Piano?
-5.
Oh, I thought
It
there
was
was a
a-
piano. At the end
No,
of
it's a
it.
skateboard.
I was like
Last
looking at the
turn.
clouds the whole time.
You could? So like you should.
No star.
What do you mean?
Huh?
This is where you complaining about.
No, because this is the last round, right?
You can get it right now.
No, because this is the last one, right?
Yes, but that doesn't mean. Oh, I see what you're saying. I didn't know what phrases you. I'm so confused.
You didn't have enough moves.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, but
no. I needed 5 or more.
Oh, I'm going to Bowser, I
Son
think.
of a bitch. Yeah, you are going to Bowser.
Bro, if I get chance time, I'm making sure it's coins. I don't care even if I have to pay. If I somehow get chance, I don't think it's possible, but if I somehow get chance time. Here it, red, right? Yeah, Yeah, and enough for chance. Enough for chance. Oh, there it is.
Yoshi.
No.
Oh,
Oh, very
Yoshi
close.
had 1 shot.
Well, you have.
I'm safe.
You could get a 4. So,
But if you get
oh, no, no.
get 3 bonus stars, you win. It all depends on the
This
bonus
is the last
stars.
mini game, right?
Yeah, this is the last mini game.
Son of a.
Man.
Mario
Bandstand.
Bandstand. Okay,
Easy.
so
Easy.
keep your eyes open this time.
Alright, gotcha.
Alright, who's
Oh,
conducting?
you're
You're conducting.
Luigi.
Oh.
So for this one, we heard the band conduct with the keypad. So when the cruise, so your cruise is gonna be on the top left.
Okay.
When it's going to a note, you need to flick whatever direction it is. So there'll be a square, and it might go down to the down arrow. Flick down.
Okay.
When it goes to right, flick right.
Okay.
That's all you can do. And
It's gonna be on the
that's
top,
the same
right?
thing.
Yeah.
Mine's just flicking yours.
Yeah,
press
yours
the
is the
button.
top to left. Well, I mean, you can press.
You can press the button.
But no, but I mean, press the direction.
Oh.
Don't just go like this. Press the direction.
Yeah.
I think I missed one. Fuck.
Right? Up, down, right. Up, down, right, left. Up, right, left.
I think you kept getting hit over and over. I don't think you got to.
I mean, I wasn't like I was like holding it, but
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to hold it. I think it's.
oh, son of a.
That's what I was trying to say. Just press it.
Yeah, I figured as much. I got 0.
Okay.
All right, here it is.
Here we go.
4, 1, 2, and 0.
Son of a.
See if you get 1 in the bonus star. That'd be nice.
I would.
Oh, he got bonus stars. Bonus star. So the minigame star award
Yeah.
goes to me. So I got 5. Okay. Yahoo! All right, coin star. That goes to Yoshi.
1 star, baby.
As bases goes to DK.
Ah. Dang, I
Dang,
got no star, man. This game hates me.
1 more. Oh, I'm
Ah,
sorry.
dang, it hates me.
Maybe you'll get the superstar.
There's no shot. You have to have.
Game just glitches. Luigi wins. What the fuck?
Right?
Well, there it is, boys. The
Boring.
first Gamecast Mario Party. You know, look, all 6 of my stars.
All
Alright, let's go.
combined into
I'm
one
just
big
gonna
star.
shank Jacob now.
Yeah, me too.
What are you
man.
talking about that?
Are we gonna combine and shank?
Yeah, just shank him.
I mean, bully. Look
the
at all
fuck?
my friends are here.
You're
Luigi's
sad.
just dead.
right?
Where's Luigi? Oh.
Aw, poor Luigi.
He's supposed to be the lucky
Poor
one.
Luigi.
Right? Well, I'm not an AI, so that's
Maybe. I'm the best!
Dude, this game really hates me, bro. They're like, you're gonna get eaten alive by this plant.
Yeah, I came in second.
This game's brutal.
Yahoo!
And they really pushing my buttons with me losing.
Yeah.
They're like, we're gonna
That
really
losing
show that
animation?
you're a loser. We're gonna like make sure you get eaten up by a plant. Really emphasize your loss here. So that's the total amount of stars you obtain throughout playing this game?
Yeah, well, this is just the one I've had.
Okay.
If I were able to put up my like OG N64 one, it'd be like 1,000.
Jesus.
Damn.
All right. Well, with that, thanks you boys for the Mario Party. And I guess until next time.
Hasta la way.